Rebel Canners, teaching all kinds of food preservation, especially the old ways. We all can use a little bit more of the old ways these days. Hey, be sure you're subscribed because sometimes YouTube does some funny things with that. And be sure to hit the like button.
Today
on your
we're
way out.
going to
Thanks.
watch Becca make stir-fried rice on the blackstone. So right here she is pouring on some soy sauce. She had made her rice in the rice cooker and steamed her vegetables on top. They were just a pack of frozen stir-fry vegetables. You can use any kind that you like. We often add water chestnuts and baby corn to our stir-fry. But as you can see, we didn't get any baby corn in there this time. But we add those as separate cans. You could add mushrooms. You can pretty much add any kind of vegetable, anything that makes you happy. And then she just brought that out and stirred it up here, spreading it out on the grill, and pouring on about a half a cup of soy sauce.
Bonus points. But he doesn't know you and he doesn't know your smell, so he doesn't want you to hold him, maybe. And on the side here, she's going to scramble 6 eggs and add that to, her fried rice, because it wouldn't be fried rice without scrambled eggs in there. And we do this last so that they aren't hard and rubbery. Get those eggshells out, Becca. Oh, geez. Go from the back to the front. Thank you. I see it.
enjoys it. So, you got some burnt on egg here. Scrape it as best you can. Get all the gunk off of it.
So this is a how to clean your blackstone video. We just made stir fry. And as you can see, it's very well loved and used.
I swear this is right.
Okay, we just made stir fry. They ought to have figured that out.
I got a little bit of egg back there. And then this is just water.
Okay.
In a cup. You're going to want to step back because it will boil up. Just let it go and kind of steam. And just kind of work it with your scraper back and forth. You need a little more in certain areas. Look at all the gunk.
I missed it. Oh well. That's all there is to it. Just
Nope. You got one more step. So when you're done with this, I'm going to finish this up and we'll come back. So now that we've got it all clean and it's mostly dry, we've just got a little bit of residual there. You want to take your oil.
It's still on.
Yes, it is still on. And just kind of squirt it down. And I take a paper towel with some tongs and just kind of coat it
Stop
real
for a
good.
second so I can see the setup. There you go. Okay.
Coat it real good. Just like your cast iron pan.
So just like you're seasoning a cast iron pan, you
Yep.
want to season your cast iron blackstone?
Yep. Just coat it down real good and it'll help it stay not rusty, and coat it down and keep it non-stick.
Nice. All right. Thank you, Becca.
You're welcome.
If you like this video, be sure to subscribe so I know to make more content just like this. Thank you and have a great day.